Welcome to my channel Sara Art and Design. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the further videos notification. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you new bottom design. It's very easy and simple. So let's start. Firstly we will stitch the outer side of the pant. This is the outer portion. Now we will mark the 2 inch of a margin we left for the folding and give a straight line, and now we will leave 1/2 inch margin for stitching and give a straight line here. Now make it straight and we will cut it. So this is the basic part for design. Now for the design we will take 5 inch in a length. You can reduce it or increase it, and we will take, it's a 16 inches and we will take 2 inch extra. So for the design we will took two type of strips. It's a contrast color. We have attached the fuse paper on the white color and pink color in a normal way. Now its width is 18 inch. And it would be 18 more than our bottom portion. Now we will going to fold it once. Now we will mark 1/4 inch from the bottom and take a 2 inch from the center and make a straight line. Join these points and make a straight line. Now cut it from here on the straight line. Now our design cutting is completed. It would be look like this. Now we give a stitch on the edges. Leave only 1/2 inch margin over here. From the side and the corners, stitch carefully. Have to leave 1/2 inch margin each and every side. On a V shape, stitch very carefully from here. Settle the fabric. and give the last stitch. Now we will cut the extra edges from the corners and give the notching on a V shape. And now we will fold our fabric to the right side. Now we have to turn it. Turn from both sides. For the finishing, you have to iron it, and after ironing, the fabric will be settled and we will give a stitch on top side. So it would be look like this. Now we'll give a stitch on the top side. No need to leave the extra margin over here. Just give a simple seam. Now our design is ready. Now we will mark the center point of the pant and center point of the design. We will place the right side of the design and the wrong side of the fabric, wrong side of the pant, and make a straight stitch over here. Give only ½ inch of a margin over here. Now turn the fabric to the right side and give a stitch on the bottom. We give this stitch only for finishing. Now my design is ready. It would be look like this. We will place the buttons on the corners and in a center part. So guys, if you like my video, then give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching my videos. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.